Hello and welcome to this Cetopo tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to use templates in Cetopo and explain how to customize them to fit your needs. If you're already familiar with Cetopo or have seen our other videos, you should be comfortable navigating our interface. So we will start here with an area already selected. Cetopo comes equipped with a variety of default templates for different purposes, whether you're working on 2D drawings, 3D models, or even creating physical models. Let's begin with vector and image-based templates, which can be found under the Image tab. Here you'll notice an eye icon that allows you to preview the template image. If you want to customize the template, click on the cog icon to open the template configuration dialog. Here, you can adjust colors and other settings. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save as at the bottom to save a new template. You'll now be able to see your new template in the list. In the CAD tab, you'll find templates designed for all major AEC software. These templates come with more advanced configuration options and can differ depending on the software you're using. For more detailed explanations of these, be sure to check out our other videos. Within the Settings tab of each template, you have the option to rename the template. You'll also see options to make templates public, allowing you to share them with your colleagues, and to lock them, preventing accidental edits. This feature is especially useful for BIM managers who need to control the use of templates across their organization. If you want to share your template, click the Share button. This generates a .json file, which you can then send to your colleagues. They can easily drag and drop this file into Cetopo to start using the shared template. For additional template management, click on Manage under the Template tab. This will take you out of the map view and into the admin side of Cetopo. Over here, you can control which templates appear in the map view and delete those you no longer need. While default templates cannot be deleted, you can choose to hide them if they're not relevant to your work. For example, if your office doesn't use ArchiCAD or Rhino, you can hide those templates here. Depending on your user rights settings, you may also see a push button here. This allows you to push a template to all users in your organization, ensuring consistency across your team. Thanks for watching this brief tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more detailed guidance, don't forget to check out our other videos.